Something is happening in the job market right now that almost nobody is talking about. People are quietly leaving their 9-to-5 jobs, not because they were fired, not because the economy forced them out, but because AI side hustles are now generating enough income to make the 9-to-5 completely optional. This is not theory. This is happening right now. In the next 9 minutes, I am going to show you the 5 AI side hustles that are actually replacing traditional income in 2026. How much each one pays, how long it takes to start, and which one you should choose based on your specific situation. Stay until number 1, because it is the side hustle most people overlook, and it has the highest income per hour of anything on this list. Let us get into it. This is educational content. Income results vary based on effort, skill, and consistency. Before we get into the 5 side hustles, I need to explain why this is even possible in 2026. For most of human history, starting a service business required years of experience. You could not write professionally without years of training. You could not produce broadcast audio without expensive equipment. You could not design without going to design school. AI has collapsed all of those barriers. Anyone with an internet connection can now offer services that businesses are actively paying for. You do not need experience. You do not need credentials. You do not need expensive equipment. You need a willingness to learn and the discipline to take action. Here are the 5 AI side hustles replacing 9-to-5 income right now. Starting with the most accessible. Side hustle number 5. AI-assisted copywriting. Businesses need written content constantly. Blog posts, email sequences, product descriptions, social media captions, ad copy. The demand never stops. With Claude AI, you can produce professional quality written content in minutes. Here is the income path. Offer monthly content packages to small and medium businesses. A blog post package, 4 posts per month, commands $300 to $600 per client. 5 clients is $1,500 to $3,000 per month. That is the equivalent of an $18,000 to $36,000 per year salary. From 5 clients. Working part-time. Time investment, 2 to 3 hours per client per month once you have your AI workflow. What makes this side hustle so accessible is that you do not need to be a professional writer. You need to understand the client's business. Ask the right questions. Guide Claude with the right prompts. Review the output with a critical eye. Those are skills anyone can learn in a week. This is your starting point if you have never done a side hustle before. Now here is where the income starts to scale dramatically. The next side hustle pays significantly more per hour, and the demand is exploding. Side hustle number 4, AI Voiceover production. The explosion of podcasts, YouTube channels, e-learning courses, and corporate training videos has created enormous demand for professional voiceover work. With 11 labs, you can produce broadcast quality voiceovers in minutes. The income path. Offer voiceover packages on Fiverr or directly to content creators. Charge $50 to $200 per finished minute of audio. A 10-minute corporate training video earns you $500 to $2,000. Time investment, 20 to 40 minutes of production per project. This is one of the highest income per hour side hustles available using AI today. The reason most people overlook this is they assume voiceover work requires a great voice. It does not anymore. 11 Labs provides the voice. You provide the production. The skill you are selling is not the voice itself. It is knowing how to direct the AI to produce broadcast quality audio. And that skill is learnable in a few hours. Side hustle number 3 is the one with the highest long-term potential of anything on this list, but it requires the most patience. Side hustle number 3, AI-powered YouTube channel. You are watching one right now. A faceless YouTube channel in a high CPM niche, finance, AI tools, business education, can generate significant passive income from advertising revenue and sponsorships. The income path. At 100,000 subscribers in the finance niche, advertising revenue alone can generate $5,000 to $15,000 per month. That is $60,000 to $180,000 per year. Passive. Time investment with full AI production. 2 to 3 hours per video once your workflow is established. Here is the trade-off. It takes 6 to 12 months to build meaningful income from YouTube. Everything else on this list pays faster. The smart play is to build the YouTube channel alongside one of the faster side hustles. The faster hustle pays your bills today. The YouTube channel pays your bills 5 years from now and keeps paying long after you stop actively working on it. That is the magic of building digital assets that compound over time. Now, here is the side hustle most people completely overlook because they assume it requires technical skills. It does not. Side hustle number 2, AI business automation consulting. Small business owners are drowning in repetitive tasks they hate: customer follow-up, invoice processing, social media scheduling, lead management. These tasks consume hours of their week, and they would pay good money to make them disappear. With Make.com and a basic understanding of business workflows, you can help small businesses automate these tasks completely. The income path. Charge $500 to $2,000 to set up an automation system. Then add a monthly maintenance retainer of $200 to $500 per client. 3 clients on retainer is $600 to $1,500 per month in passive income. Time investment after setup: 1 to 2 hours per client per month. This is the most scalable side hustle on this list because the work decreases over time as the automated systems run themselves. Most consultants charge by the hour and trade time for money. Automation consultants charge for the result, and the result keeps producing value long after you stop working. And now, the number 1 AI side hustle. The one with the highest income per hour of anything on this list. The one with the lowest competition. And the one that most people are completely ignoring. Side hustle number 1. AI research and analysis services. Businesses, investors, content creators, and marketing teams constantly need research. Market analysis, competitor breakdowns, industry trend reports, investment research summaries. This work used to take traditional analysts days to complete, and clients paid thousands of dollars per report. With Perplexity AI and Claude working together, you can produce professional research reports in 30 to 60 minutes. The income path. Charge $150 to $500 per individual report. Or build a subscription model. 2 reports per month per client at $300 to $600 per month. 5 subscription clients is $1,500 to $3,000 per month. Time investment: 2 to 4 hours per client per month. Why is this number 1? Because almost nobody is offering it. Most freelancers focus on writing or design or video. Research is the most underserved category in the entire freelance market, but every business needs it. Every investor needs it. Every content creator needs it. You can charge premium rates because there is almost no competition, and you can produce professional quality output in a fraction of the time it used to take. This is the side hustle hiding in plain sight, and the people who start now will dominate this category for years. So which one should you start with? Here is the honest answer. Start with the one that matches your current strengths most closely. If you are comfortable with words, start with copywriting. If you have a clear speaking voice and patience for production, start with voiceover. If you are patient and think long-term, start the YouTube channel now and run another hustle alongside it. If you are analytical and enjoy solving problems, start with automation consulting. If you are a strong researcher who loves digging into details, start with research services. There is no wrong answer. The only wrong move is choosing nothing and starting nothing. Most people who watch videos like this close the tab and do nothing. They tell themselves they will start next week, next month, when they have more time. And they stay exactly where they are. Do not be one of them. Pick one. Start this week. Sign your first client within 30 days. Your future self will thank you for the action you take today. Those are the 5 AI side hustles replacing 9-to-5 jobs in 2026. Copywriting, voiceover production, YouTube channel, automation consulting, research services. Each one is accessible today. Each one uses tools that are free or nearly free to start. And each one has the potential to replace a traditional salary. Links to all tools mentioned are in the description below. If this video helped you, hit subscribe for weekly videos on using AI to build real income. And drop a comment. Which of these 5 side hustles are you going to start this week? I read every comment. And I will see you in the next one.